Meet Eleanora O'Donnell Iselin. This striking portrait by John Singer Sargent captures the essence of a formidable woman from America's Gilded Age. Mrs. Iselin, a prominent figure in New York society, is depicted with an air of authority and confidence. Her piercing gaze and unwavering posture reflect her strong personality. Painted in 1888, this portrait offers a glimpse into the opulent lifestyle of the American upper class. Sargent's masterful technique highlights the intricate details of Mrs. Iselin's attire, emphasizing her wealth and status. According to family lore, Mrs. Iselin refused to change her outfit for the portrait, insisting on being painted as she was. This detail adds a layer of authenticity to the piece, showcasing Sargent's ability to capture the true character of his subjects. More than just a beautiful painting, this portrait serves as a historical document. It offers insights into the societal roles and expectations of women during the Gilded Age.